Appreciate everyone making it in. I know with flights and all sorts of craziness, it was a big question mark, am I going to get to Kubeflow and KubeCon? So appreciate everyone that made the trip, especially for this co-located event. We're going to kick this off with just some normal keynote stuff, not keynote, but just introduction stuff, as well as some housekeeping. So first off, thank you so much for Red Hat. They're a major sponsor, so a round of applause for Red Hat. Thank you so much. Reminder on the code of conduct. Golden rule, treat others as you want to be treated with kindness and respect. I also like to add treat with others how they want to be treated, so get to know someone, right? That's why we're here. You can scan the QR code if you want to know more about the CNCF code of conduct. If you need captioning and translation, here's the QR code. Does anyone need this? No? Cool. Moving on. There are refreshments. I know, luckily, this room isn't as bad. In the past, we've had darker rooms. This is great. There's light. But I know that people are tired from travel, so make sure that you're caffeinated, make sure you're hydrated, take care of yourself. We don't want anyone crashing out at Kubeflow Summit. There's refreshments in the hallway, as well as there's going to be lunch served. And after this, there's going to be a reception. Make sure you attend the reception, meet other projects, meet other events. Should be good. And a reminder for the Kubeflow community, testimonials are open for the Kubeflow steering committee. So you can go make a positive, Amber wanted to make sure I hammered that home, a positive comment on a PR about someone running. Also, there is an open issue for emails. If you do not have an approved, or it should say that it's been accepted, you will not be able to get a ballot and you won't be able to vote. So Amber wanted to make sure people remember that they need to make sure they get their ballot to vote. And if you did not know, for those who are new to the community, Kubeflow does do Kubeflow steering committee elections. They are on a cycle to run every year. We can elect members, and they run for 2 years. Awesome. Now I'm going to quickly rip through this. Opening remarks, really just wanted to take a moment and kind of set the tone for what Kubeflow Summit is and what I've seen over the years at Kubeflow Summit. And when I think about what Kubeflow Summit is, right, and why Kubeflow Summit is awesome, is this an opportunity for us to get together and take all the work the community's done and really show our appreciation for it and celebrate where we were last time this year, right? In fact, even just looking at all the stuff we've done since Europe, there's been so much this community has done, and it's hard to keep track of, and it's hard to find a face and show appreciation, and that's what this summit's about. And I think in the fast-paced world of ML, when you look at all the projects that make up Kubeflow and all the projects that are up and coming in Kubeflow, right, thinking of agents, MCP, people run large language models, all these different things, fine-tuning, where Kubeflow is working to cover, but we need support, community is a necessity, right? It's not a luxury we can have. We need each other to help build this and make sure that this lasts. And I think there's a ton of opportunity in this community. And I think there's a ton of opportunity in this community more so than just machine learning engineers, just data scientists, just Kubernetes people. If you're a community builder, you're a Linux admin, you're an enthusiast, there's actually a spot for you in this community. And I think that there's a spot for you on this stage sometime if you want to come and have us celebrate your contributions to the project. And Kubeflow has helped me a lot. All transparently, I came into Kubeflow having been a Kubernetes person, joining this crazy company called Aricto that was ML on Kubernetes. And I was like, those are 2 buzzwords I should put together for my career. And I had no idea what I was doing. But people from this community helped get me there. People told me about pipelines. People shared to me about notebooks. People helped me learn about training operators and everything. And so I actually want to take this time to show appreciation for that. So you're people who've helped me in the past, whether it's an issue or Slack issue or help me build a class, I really appreciate all the effort you've put to because it's really impacted my career and helped me be a better engineer. And I think that's also what Kubeflow Summit is about. These people today that are doing these talks, these are people that I know in the community help others, and they're also here to share what they've done to help you be better and help you grow your career. So here's how I think you can get the most out of Kubeflow Summit. For me, Kubeflow Summit really is about connecting, right? Connecting the dots to your solutions, connecting the dots to the people you might not interact with in person. So make the introduction, ask the question, right? And I'll say that again, ask the question. Don't be the person that's that's a dumb question. Ask the question, it's not a dumb question, it's a great question. Share what you know. Show your appreciation for someone who's helped you get farther in the community. Show some appreciation for someone who brought you into the community. Help us make this a successful summit. Help us grow this community, and help us continue to unlock the future of Kubeflow. Awesome. That's all I have. Thank you so much. Now, please help me welcome our first talk from consumer to contributor lessons learned. Thank you, everyone.